This is a practical session for our second year civil and coastal engineering students. So students have been casting a full-scale 4-meter-long reinforced concrete beam together with some concrete cubes for strength testing later. This lab is particularly useful for students to bridge their theory learning and practical, and to understand not only the theoretical material and structural design, also help them to understand the detailing of construction and buildability of their designs. So the next steps are for the beam to cure in the lab to gradually gain strength. We will leave the beam in the lab until after summer. Students come back in their third year structures module. They will test the beam using our newly finished heavy structures lab. We will test the beam under different loading conditions. So students will be able to see how the beam performs under different loading before we eventually break the beam. They will also see how the beam ultimately fails. And this lab helps them to enhance their employability and prepares them for real-world engineering challenges. This module helps students to develop practical solutions for their innovative ideas. We started doing this lab this year, taking advantage of our newly finished heavy structures lab in our new Babbage building. We couldn't do it in our old lab due to the space limitations and the machine capacity. Now we're very fortunate with the new engineering lab. We are able to do much more practical sessions with our students.